Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I have been gone for some time now, for like 2 months, but trust me, it was not intentional. Life happens, so that was why. But I promise I am back now. Everything is going to go back to normal, I promise. And so that being said, the last video I posted was a review of the Revlon blow dryer. So I just wanted to share with you guys this hairstyle that I was rocking the whole time I had my hair straight. I had my hair straight for a little over 2 weeks, and I was rocking this hairstyle every day. Like, I really enjoyed it, and it's very easy to do. It doesn't take any effort at all. So, and yeah, let's get into this tutorial. And I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. So all you need to do is to part your hair. I always prefer a side parting because I always feel like a center parting doesn't look good on me. At least that is what I think. So, but if you prefer a center parting, go ahead and part your hair in the center. I'm just going to part my hair by the side. So at the back of my hair, I'm going to like divide my hair into two. Not really like divide, I don't want any parting there, but it's just like a guideline to kind of know where to stop when I start braiding each of the hair. So after that, you are going to brush your hair out and make it as smooth as possible, and then you're going to cornrow your hair one side at a time. Now the trick with this hairstyle is to try as much as possible to cornrow your hair downwards, that is towards your ears, not upwards like to the center of your hair like you would normally, like the usual cornrows. But with this style, you cornrow your hair downwards towards your ears, towards your like hairline, not to the center, not going up but coming down, if that makes sense. Also, the cornrow doesn't have to be perfect or anything at all. As you can see, mine is not perfect, and I don't even want it to be perfect because it's even nicer when it's not. So then when you cornrow, remember this pattern that I tried to make at the back, just to know where to stop. Yeah, you're just going to cornrow one side, and then when you get there, you're going to stop there, and then we are going to move the other side of the hair and do the same thing.
But they in the beauty, hey, is that chizzy, this music, hey, hey, baby dance ya, oleyah, many music they to play, dance ya, oleyah, baby dance ya, oleyah, this music no go stop to play, dance ya, oleyah,
So you see, when I said it's not hard at all, it's very easy as long as you know how to cornrow. Even if you don't really know how to cornrow, I tell you what, because this hairstyle doesn't have to be perfect, anyhow you cornrow, it's going to still come out fine.
Baby dance ya, oleyah, so they play me like player. Oya jo for me, my lady. Oya come on, my jolo. Yes, mama, turn your swag on, cause I play fire.
So you are just going to pin the left side to the right side and do the same thing, pin the right side to the left side.
What's my name? Oh na 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 na, oh na 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 na.
Baby dance ya, oleyah, many music they to play, dance ya, oleyah.
If you want, you can go ahead and lay your edges, and there you have it, your very cute, easy, simple hairstyle. If you think that your cornrows are getting loose or they don't really look good, all you need to do is redo it. Just loosen it up and redo it, and that's it. You can rock this hair as long as you want, as long as you can keep your hair straight. And it's also a very good protective hairstyle. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share. If you are not subscribed already, please hit the subscribe button and join the family. Thank you so much for your support. I really do appreciate it. God bless you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.
Next time I consume champagne, no, not time for darling.